Do you still remember what this faint blue dot in the universe is? It is humanity's greatest probe. This is what Voyager 1 looked like when it took its last look back at Earth. Its life will ultimately end as it runs out of power, drifting alone forever in the cold, dark universe. Yet even in its solitude, it still carries humanity's most friendly greetings to extraterrestrial civilizations. In the more than 40 years since it was sent into space, Voyager 1 has made tremendous contributions to humanity's exploration of the solar system and interstellar space. But what I'm about to tell you next is something you probably don't know. Voyager 1 was originally designed to serve for only 6 years. However, due to a human operational error, Voyager 1 was flung out of the solar system by Saturn's powerful gravity, and from then on, its extraordinary journey was set. On February 13, 1997, Voyager 1, which was over 6 billion kilometers away in space, received a command from Mission Control, turned its camera, and took the first ever photograph of the solar system in human history. This allowed humanity to truly feel for the first time just how small and fragile the Earth is. On August 24, 2012, Voyager 1 exited the region affected by solar storms. At this point, it was traveling at a speed of 72,000 kilometers per second and was already 11 billion kilometers away from Earth. This meant that it had truly left the solar system and entered interstellar space in the truest sense. At this distance, even if it wanted to communicate with humanity, a signal traveling at the speed of light would take 60 to 70 hours for a round trip. However, next year, in 2025, Voyager 1's battery will be completely depleted, and from then on, we will lose contact with it forever. But before it runs out of power, it will use its last bit of energy to transmit the data it has collected back to Earth for scientific research. But even so, its mission is not truly over, because it carries a specially crafted metal record designed to last hundreds of millions of years. This record contains detailed information about the location of Earth and the solar system, as well as greetings from humanity in dozens of different languages, intended for extraterrestrial civilizations. Perhaps one day in the future, it really will be discovered by some advanced civilization. This record will tell them the story of humanity on this blue planet, and the fact that, after hundreds of millions of years, humans once briefly existed in the universe. So here's the question. Do you hope that an advanced civilization will come to visit our Earth?